Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing review of the KB-Ear Basic IEM earphones, which are well balanced and sound really well. So guys, here you can see here is the KB-Ear's product page, and this is the one of the cheapest earphone that you can buy that sounds amazing. So this IEM is pretty cool. 30 ohms impedance and diaphragm material is Japanese PPS. It has a driver unit of 15.4 millimeter dynamic driver, and it says KB Stellar music for dream, soundtrack, extraordinary, etc. These are comfortable, they tune very well, and has 3 level of frequency equalization. It can connect to PC, phone, iPad, MP3. It has gold-plated cable, and this looks very minimal. This looks very old kind of earphone, but they sound really nice. So here are some of the options that you can have. Also, you have a microphone that can be used for calls, etc. IEMs come in a very minimalistic packaging. You just get a pouch, and inside that you get ear pads that you can put. So here is this small ear pad that you can put up in your eye. These ear pads make your listening experience much better, and they even fit comfortable in your ears, and you don't feel any pain while you're using this for a long time. So you can see the earpad is of good quality. If you look at the physical experience here, we have a nice dotted design. We have a 3.5 meter headphone jack. Earphones were quite common with the Walkman series 10 to 15 years ago, and they were really good. And you can see we have the same design here, and they fit comfortable and are very lightweight too. If we talk about the sound quality, we use them with our USB DAC, and also we try it with our smartphone normally directly, and they have good highs, decent lows, and decent mids, and overall these are a good pair of earphones for your daily use. If you are someone who wants to have good volume earphones, you need to have high volume, these earphones will provide that to you. They are a good beginner and basic IEM that you can try out. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.